The miracle herb you didn't know could change your life. Do you know there is a simple green plant that has been transforming human health for thousands of years? A plant so powerful that ancient civilizations used it to sharpen their minds, improve digestion, and fight off sickness. That plant is mint. And today, I'm going to show you how mint can change your health, your mind, and even your energy levels. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll want to start using it every single day. Mint is not just a kitchen herb. Its story begins thousands of years ago. Ancient Greeks and Romans didn't just sprinkle mint on salads. They believed it boosted mental clarity and sharpened focus. Imagine philosophers walking through gardens inhaling mint, feeling their minds awaken. Modern science is now confirming what they knew intuitively. Mint improves brain function, reduces stress, and even lifts your mood. Let's talk about the science behind it. The secret lies in menthol, the main active compound in mint. Menthol interacts with the nervous system to produce a cooling, soothing sensation. It relaxes muscles, calms the stomach, and even triggers a cascade of beneficial reactions in the brain. Researchers have found that simply smelling mint can improve concentration by up to 75%. Yes, you heard that right. Just the aroma of mint can make you sharper, faster, more alert. But the benefits don't stop there. Mint is a digestive powerhouse. Feeling bloated or gassy after meals? Mint stimulates bile production, helping your body break down fats more efficiently. It relaxes the smooth muscles in your digestive tract, reducing cramps and discomfort. Even 1 cup of mint tea after lunch can completely change how your stomach feels. And for those of you who struggle with headaches or nausea, mint is a natural remedy. Menthol relaxes blood vessels and calms the nervous system, which can reduce the intensity of headaches and relieve mild nausea. Athletes and travelers alike have been using mint for centuries to stay energized, calm, and focused. Mint isn't just for your stomach and brain. It's a vitamin and antioxidant powerhouse. Mint contains vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and potassium. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and even slow down cellular aging. Imagine giving your body a daily shield against stress, illness, and fatigue. That's what mint does. Here's a fun fact that will blow your mind. The aroma of mint can instantly reduce stress levels and improve alertness. In a study, participants who smelled mint before performing mental tasks were more focused and performed better than those who didn't. That means mint can literally rewire your brain for better performance. And it's completely natural. Now, let's talk about sleep. Drinking mint tea in the evening is like sending a gentle lullaby to your nervous system. It calms your mind, relaxes your muscles, and prepares your body for deep, restorative sleep. And here's the kicker. You wake up not just rested, but mentally sharper and more energized than usual. Mint also works wonders for your immune system. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties that help fight minor infections. Cold season. Adding mint tea to your daily routine can help protect you from seasonal illness, reduce congestion, and even ease sinus discomfort. And for kids, just a small cup can soothe their tummies, calm nausea, and improve their sleep. Let's not forget skin benefits. Mint's antibacterial and cooling effects make it incredible for acne, redness, and oily skin. Mix crushed mint leaves with yogurt, honey, or aloe vera. and you get a refreshing mask that not only cools the skin but balances oil and fights inflammation naturally. Many modern skincare products still rely on mint because it works naturally and safely. Now, here's the part that will make your life easier. How to use mint daily without effort. First, tea. Fresh or dried leaves, steeped in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon or ginger for extra punch. Morning, afternoon, or evening, mint tea works anytime. Next, food. Mint can be added to salads, soups, sauces, meat dishes, and even desserts. A sprinkle of mint makes your food not only tastier but easier to digest. Smoothies. Mint blended with fruits like cucumber, lemon, or apple creates a refreshing drink that hydrates and boosts digestion. Mint oil. Oh, that's next level. A few drops mixed with carrier oil and massaged into sore muscles reduces tension, improves circulation, and relieves pain. Diffused in the room. It can increase focus, lift mood, and energize your mind instantly. Add it to baths, scrubs, or skincare routines. Mint is versatile, powerful, and surprisingly easy to use. Here's another mind-blowing fact. You can grow mint at home. In pots, in gardens, anywhere. Fresh leaves are always available. And they taste and smell far better than dried ones. Dried or frozen mint can keep you supplied year-round. Imagine walking into your kitchen, plucking a few fresh leaves, and instantly turning any meal, tea, or skincare routine into a natural boost for your body and mind. So why does mint feel magical? Because it works on multiple levels simultaneously. It improves digestion, supports immunity, enhances skin health, reduces stress, sharpens the mind, aids sleep, and gives you natural energy. One simple plant, daily use, countless benefits. By now, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I start? It's simple. Begin with 1 cup of mint tea in the morning. Sprinkle mint in your meals, try a mint smoothie. Or massage mint oil into tense muscles. Make it a habit. And the results? You'll feel calmer, healthier, sharper, and more energized than ever before. Mint is not just a plant. It's a natural medicine, a mental booster, a stress reliever, and a flavor enhancer. It's been valued for thousands of years for a reason. By adding mint to your daily routine, you're not just improving digestion or skin, you're enhancing your overall quality of life. Remember, it's small daily habits that make the biggest impact. 1 cup of mint tea, 1 sprinkle on your salad, 1 aroma session in the morning, and your body and mind thank you. Mint is nature's multi-tool for your health, and it's waiting for you to use it. So go ahead. Brew that tea. Chop that mint. Massage that oil. Inhale the aroma. Feel the difference. And make mint a daily ritual, because your body, mind, and energy deserve it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that actually work. Stay energized, stay healthy, and remember, nature already has the answer, you just have to use it.